I do this every single day before I start trading. I like to get a good feel for the market, long term, medium term, and short term. I use the daily for long term, I use the 4 hour for medium term, and I use the 1 hour for short term. The next chart I check is Bitcoin dominance because once this starts to sell off, that is a true indicator that altcoin season is coming. The next charts I check are total market cap or total. Then I look at total 2, which is total market cap excluding Bitcoin. And then finally, I'd look at total 3, which is total market cap excluding Bitcoin and Ethereum, aka altcoin chart. From there, I go to the crypto macro dashboard on the Epic Trading Floor website. I start looking at the performance, which as you can see, based on the tariff news, the market is down. The most important part of this though is volume change. So I go check volume change in the last 24 hours and you can see that that is going to be relatively green across the board. So even though price action is pulling down and short term is looking bearish from the tariffs, we can see that the proactive price or volume is looking very bullish. From there, I go into the latest news to see if the macros for the day are going to be more bullish or bearish. Basically to see where the institutions want to sway retail traders in terms of their emotional trading. From there, I scroll down and I look at the top gainers and top losers for the day to see if there's any good opportunities for longs and shorts from things that are overbought or oversold on the short terms. Then I go through the technical analysis indicators for Bitcoin, Ethereum, and total market cap. I go through everything from 1 minute all the way to 1 hour and 1 month just to see where the overall feeling for the market is. And I use this from a fear and greed perspective. You can use that for Bitcoin, Ethereum, and total market cap. So as you can see, there's a lot of fear in the market, especially on the daily. And that would be pretty obvious in the sentiment that you can see on social media, for example, where most people are freaking out and selling their bags for losses. Then the last thing I check is to see if there's any major macro events going on. For example, today was national employment. Tomorrow's going to be jobless claims. And then on April 4th, if you trade Forex, non-farm payrolls, and then anyone in crypto can be affected and stocks from unemployment rate. I also really like to use cryptobubbles.net so I can get a top-down view from the market on the weekly and monthly to see what's exactly overbought and oversold to see if there's any other opportunities, but on a longer term perspective than just a 24-hour in and out flip. And then the last step in the whole process is that I scan over my long-term portfolio, see what's overbought and what's oversold. And then this is where we officially start to look for trades to enter based on all the information that we gathered from scanning the market. If you want to come trade with me, comment Epic below. That will also get you access to all of my trades and our community, which there are limited spots available. And then if you found anything useful in this video, make sure to save it for later, tag a friend, hit that like button, and hit that follow button if you're not following me already.